If you want to learn web dev, here's the best way to get started. First, create a new HTML document and give it the title, "What's the best way to learn web dev?" Next, use a script tag to import the secret ingredient JavaScript file. More on that later. Then open another script tag and create an array called topics of the things you might want to learn. In here, I've got DOM, query parameters, what is a WYSIWYG, window, while loops, get request, XML, CSS, and yes, I'm sure by now you have more questions. But first, let's count the topics we want to learn by using topics.length. Then, let's capture all of the first characters of these topics in a new array by mapping over topics and using slice on each element of the array. Next, we're going to count the uppercase characters in this array. Create a new variable called countUppercase and assign it to 0. Then, loop over all of the first characters using for each, and if we find an uppercase letter, we'll increment the countUppercase variable. Next, add the topics count and the uppercase count to the first characters array at index 4 and 3 respectively. Then build the final answer by decoding the secret ingredient and concatenating the first characters array as a single string. Then redirect the browser window to the answer. Finally, we're going to spin up a server using npx HTTP server and open it up in a browser. Grab the URL,